Yeah, so...
He looks very mad right now. What did you do to him?
I mean, I saw you guys taking the gator out of the truck, and he seemed to start thrashing around. Should I be scared?
Yeah, this is an 8-foot alligator that just drove 5 hours. He's pretty pissed off.
Oh dear. Well, I'm glad I'm standing about 1 foot. Oh my God! Alright, so...
This thing is laying on top of him right now to keep him from biting.
And that's a real thing. And
sir, what's your name real quick?
I'm Gary Sawyer from Country Music Television. Gator down 1-1 in Gator Country down in Beaumont, Texas.
Okay, so...
You have a big knife sticking out of your boot.
Yeah, and what you just did was kind of tap him on the jaw a little bit, and that really angered the gator, who thrashed his head and is now, I swear to God, staring right into my soul.
Who is it that's the brave one that's going to help me re-catch this alligator after my first show? I think they want to take the tape off his mouth, right?
That's Jeff Kavanaugh, and I fully support that because he's not me. But yeah, he'll be down here later. Does the alligator get less angry as the day goes on?
It's more angry as the day goes on.
That's very concerning. How much does this gator weigh?
That's probably a 200-pound, 8-foot alligator.
Interesting. I'm gonna go walk over to the center here.
You're all right. Yeah, you can just sit on it.
Oh! Wow, it's gonna get you good. Holy crap! No, don't get off of him. Don't get off. No, don't get off of him. All right, so there's now nobody sitting on the gator.
Kevin, is that what what's he doing right now?
He's looking like he's gonna break through the tape and kill us all. Is what I'm thinking. Hey, other fellow here, why don't you come to me instead of I go to you? Because I don't think I'm gonna walk. Holy crap! I'm not gonna walk in there. No. I don't want to do this. I just stepped on his foot too.
He's gonna be so mad at you.
Hello, alligator. So I swear to God, this is a real thing. I'm sitting on top of the. Oh my God.
Kevin was sitting on top of the gator. The gator lifted Kevin up off of him and then turned around to snap at you, dude. What was that like?
I think he was going to eat my leg.
Where'd you go, man?
I feel like we got off on the wrong foot.
You got to use your weight here. Use your weight.
He said you have to use your weight to get on him.
You're not gonna hurt it today.
Sitting on the alligator.
Let's go, man. Come on.
No, don't let go. I don't want to go over here. Don't let the alligator go. Are you insane? Why would you do that? I don't care if his jaw's taped up. That crazy beast can rip that tape off in 2 seconds and kill us all. No, he doesn't.
Yeah.
No. No, he does not want to kiss the alligator. Ever. Come on, man. Come on. No. You want me to put my face up there? Hold on 1 second. How close do I have to get?
You got the touch lips there.
Put your lips on his nose.
No. I don't know where this gator's been. He looks super mad that I'm coming in.
Good. Real quick. Real quick.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. So I just want to recap real quick. There's all kinds of incredibly attractive ladies out here, and the one thing I've kissed today is an alligator. That's a thing that's happened.
That's a good start.
I'm going to go over here and freak out. So thanks for bringing the alligators by, guys.
Oh wait, we got a friend.
Alright, this show is at 1 o'clock today.
What? That's your attitude.
Just like the shows at 1 o'clock today.
Johnny. They're about to move him back.
First show is at 1 o'clock. Jeff Kavanaugh will be out here later to wrangle the game. There are 3 people here.